In three-dimensional geometry, equation of a line in space. A line is uniquely determined if it passes through a given point and has a given direction. Second, it passes through two given points. Here you have two equation of lines. First is equation of line passing through a given point and parallel to a given vector. Here we have a line. This is the line in space and it is passing through point A. This is point A and this is parallel vector B. This is parallel vector B. Here you have to find the equation of this line which is passing through a point A and parallel to this vector. Now for finding the equation, we consider that P be any other point on the line. This point P is any other and A is already given point. So P is considered point. We can take the position vector A. Small a is the position vector of point A. OA, it is A. OA vector is equal to small a, and another point P has position vector OP is equal to small r, and B is the parallel vector. Now here we see that vector AP will be on line. Vector AP will be on line because both points are on line. So this is along the line and on the line. Hence, since line is parallel to vector B, implies that vector AP will also parallel to vector B because vector AP is along the line. So this happens. Now if two vectors are parallel, which vectors are parallel? Parallel vectors are AP and vector B. Now we can find vector AP. AP will be equal to position vector of P, position vector of P minus position vector of A, OP minus OA. So we have, if two vectors are parallel, then one vector AP will be the constant multiplication of another vector. That means R minus OP is R and OA is A. So R minus A is equal to KB. Thus R is equal to A plus KB. This is called vector form of the equation. R is equal to A plus KB, where what is A? A is the position vector which is given, and B is the parallel vector, and K is any constant. So this is equation of vector form of equation of line. Now we have to find the Cartesian form of the line. consider r is unknown point, or this is point P. So P is, we take P is equal to x y z. That means OP, that is equal to R, will become xi plus yj plus zk. So we have vector R, and position vector of point A is, if point is x1 y1 z1, then position vector of, position vector of point A is equal to vector A, that is equal to xi x1i plus y1j plus z1k. This will be the position vector of point x1 y1 z1. And here parallel vector B is given ai plus bj plus ck. This is parallel vector. Now if we put the value of r, value of a and value of b in this equation, we get such type of relation: r minus a is equal to kb. So putting these all values and equating, grouping the coefficients of I, j and k in left hand side and as well as in right hand side, and then equate them, we get the solution x minus a x1 upon a. This will be the value of k. You see here, comparing both sides, we get x minus x1 is equal to ka, coefficient of I are equal. So k is equal to x minus x1 upon a. Similarly, y minus y1 is equal to kb, coefficient of j are also equal. So k is equal to y minus y1 upon b. Similarly, we can find z is equal to z minus c upon z minus z1 upon c. Thus we see that x minus x1 y upon a is equal to value of k, y minus y1 upon b is equal to value of k, and z minus z1 is equal upon c is equal to value of k. So equating all these, we get such type of relation is equal to k. This is called equation without k. So this part is called Cartesian form of the line, where we see that x, y, z makes equation, x1, y1, z1 are the coordinates of given point, and a, b, c are the direction ratios of parallel vector. These are the direction ratios of parallel vector. Now we have to find the general point on line. We will find the value of x, value of y and value of z from above. So here we see that this is equal to k. So x minus x1 is equal to ak according to this. Y minus y1 is equal to bk, and z minus z1 is equal to ck. So we get the value of x, that is ak plus x1, and similarly value of y akb plus y1, and value of z kc plus z1. This is these are the coordinates of journal point on the line. Now second type of equation is this one, equation of line passing through 2 points. Here we have axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now here are this is the line having 2 points A at here and B here. So the equation here we see that this point is similarly passing through a point A and B. So here it is passing through A, we need parallel vector, and parallel vector will be equal to vector AB. AB will be parallel or collinear with line, so we find vector AB. Vector AB will be equal to, if position vector of A, OA, that is A, and position vector of B, that is C, so vector AB will be equal to OB minus OA. So that is OB minus OA, C minus A. This is parallel to line or collinear to line. Then this vector this will act as parallel vector. Now we have the equation of line R is equal to A plus KB. So in place of A, here A remains as it is, and in place of B, here we write C minus A. So equation become R is equal to A plus K C minus A, where A is the coordinate of first point x1 y1 z1 and position vector x1I plus y1j plus z1k. Similarly, position vector of B is, we consider C, so C is the position vector of B, so x2I plus y2j plus z2k. Now we have to find the equation of line passing through 2 points in Cartesian form. That is, similarly we will find equating the values of R, A and C minus A. We get some results of value of K. K is equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. Similarly, K is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, and K is equal to similarly z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Thus we see that we have the relation x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. This will make the equation of Cartesian form of the equation of line. So you have to remember these all Cartesian form as well as vector form of both type of lines. Now here we am taking an example. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line through the point. Is this passing through this point? It means you make from this point vector A, and parallel to this vector, this is vector B. So we have the formula R is equal to A plus KB. So put R is equal to A, the value of A, that is 5I plus 2j minus 4k from this, and K is constant, and B vector is given, that is parallel vector. So this R is equal to, this is vector equation of line. Now we have to find its Cartesian form. We can put the value of R as xi plus yj plus zk, vector A 5i plus 2j minus 4k, and plus k into vector B, that is 3i plus 2j minus 8k. If we collect the coefficients of ijk from both sides and equate them or compare them, we get such values: x is equal to 5 plus 3k, y is equal to 2 plus 2k, and z is equal to minus 4 minus 8k. So from all these three we get the value of k: x minus x1 upon 3 is equal to y minus y2 upon 2, and z is equal to z plus 4 upon, it is z plus 4 upon minus 8. So we see equation become x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to y minus 2 upon 2 is equal to z minus 4 upon minus 8. This is called Cartesian form. This is Cartesian form. Now if you are given the coordinates of the point of 2 points through which line is passing, then how will you make the equation of line? You have to find vector equation. We know that this point is point A and its position vector is small a, vector small a, that is minus 1i plus 0j plus 2k. So it becomes minus I plus 2k. And similarly vector C, that becomes, that is the position vector another point 3i plus 4j plus 6k. So you have to find C minus A, that is this, because we know that equation of line is R is equal to A plus lambda C minus A. So put the values, we get R is equal to A, put the value of A, I minus I plus 2j plus k and C B minus A vector. So we get, this is the vector equation of line passing through 2 points. Similarly, there is another example. You are given a Cartesian form of line and you have to find its vector form. It is very easy to find. First you see the formula of vector form, that is x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c. So position vector of point A is x1 y1 z1. Here position vector of point A is x1 y1 z1. So position vector of point A will become x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k. And parallel vector B is given ai plus bj plus ck. So if we compare all the things above given to this one, we get point A is minus 5 plus minus 3 comma 5 comma 6, and thus vector A become minus 3i plus 5j plus 6k, and parallel vector becomes from where? It will be from